Guys, welcome back. This is going to be a short little video, and basically it's just a recap on where I've started to where the bike is up at this, today basically. At the end of the video it's what it's like at a minute. But yeah, been a long process, and yeah, still got the exhaust and stuff like that, rad hoses to put on, and hope you enjoyed the video. I'll rip the new one soon, and peace.
A Scotch pad is your best friend. All new bearings and bushes have been installed, wheels, etc.
Guys, so that's the linkage all installed. I've given it a good clean and everything, and it's looking pretty good.
Gear selector in and new inner housing. Swing arm bearings are in.
We'll be installing these bad boys today.
Front end installed or forks or triple clamps and handlebars. Took me like 10 years to fit this bloody radiator. Video.